Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up pages in Excel. To begin, navigate to the Page Layout tab in your Excel ribbon. Here, you'll find the Page Setup group, which contains all the essential tools for preparing your worksheet for printing. We'll cover how to adjust margins, change the orientation, and select your preferred paper size to ensure your data looks perfect on paper. Next, let's dive into customizing your margins and orientation. Within the Page Setup dialog box, you can specify exact measurements for your top, bottom, left, and right margins. You can also easily switch between portrait and landscape orientations to best fit your content. Additionally, Excel allows you to center your data on the page, either horizontally or vertically, for a professional appearance. Now, let's explore defining your print area and scaling. If you only need to print a specific section of your worksheet, you can easily set a print area. This ensures only the selected cells are printed. For larger datasets, you can scale your worksheet to fit on 1 page wide by 1 page tall, or any other desired page count, making your printouts much more manageable. Finally, let's add some finishing touches with headers and footers. You can insert custom text, page numbers, or even the current date into your headers and footers for a polished look. Always use the print preview option before printing to catch any layout issues. This helps save paper and ensures your final output is exactly as intended. Remember to check the description below for a link to some great smart speaker deals and other helpful resources. Happy printing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.